Hi guys, Simon here from UTS Careers. Next week, Careers, along with the School of Education, are running the Your Future in Education online series, which aims to help our final year education students get prepared for life after uni. Throughout the week, there'll be 3 main online sessions. You'll get the chance to meet and speak with leading professionals and organisations in the education industry, and you'll get exposed to a whole range of opportunities that are on offer to you as an education graduate. The week's lineup looks like this. On Monday, the 27th of April at 9 a.m, it's the First Things First presentation. This session goes for 60 minutes and it's run by the New South Wales Education Standards Authority, NESA. The aim of this session is to introduce you to a range of essential topics that every teacher needs to know before embarking on their education journey. Now, in order to register for this session and receive the unique Zoom link you'll need to access it, click Register under the session description on this website. That'll then take you to the Career Hub event page. When you're on that page, make sure you click the blue Book button, and from there you'll be considered registered and you'll be sent an automatic email with the unique Zoom event link. Please note, you'll need to go through this same process to access all of the different sessions. Next up, on Wednesday the 29th of April, again at 9 a.m, we have a 90-minute session for you. It's called What's the Difference? And in this session, representatives from the New South Wales Department of Education, the Catholic Education Office and Teach Queensland will explain the key differences between some of the main teaching avenues in Australia. Finally, on Friday the 1st of May, again at 9 a.m. for 60 minutes, it's the Secrets of Success panel. Throughout this panel event, we'll ask the questions that you want answered and find out what schools are really looking for with their new graduate teachers. This panel will have a mixture of principals as well as new and current teachers, ensuring that there's a good balance of perspectives, insights, and some secret gems of information that you won't hear anywhere else. Again, register by clicking the link below the session description, head to the Career Hub page and book in to receive the unique Zoom event link. Now, as a part of the overall Your Future in Education experience, make sure you check out the Career Expo section on this website. Here, you'll find information on organisations presenting you with opportunities to work overseas when the time is right, organisations presenting interstate opportunities, and also information on a range of organisations who can support you throughout your education career. Beyond that, for those students who show interest and take part in next week's online series, we'll be sending you specific content on video interviews and also how to balance work and life in a bonus package of resources. So, what are you waiting for? Get involved in next week's online series of events and create the future you today.